Bootcamps gives us, who works more on the business side, a good overview of the products and how we should present it to the customers. And it gives us the strength of the product and so that we can use that in our discussions with our customers. It also gives us tools to do demonstrations, which is very good. Very easy to set up and very intuitive tutorials that you can follow, which we find is very handy. So I recommend it strongly to everyone to attend these bootcamps. You will enjoy it and we have a lot of fun.
Au niveau des 3 jours, il y a un fil rouge assuré par un expert, donc Emmanuel, un fil rouge au niveau avant-vente, présentation technique du produit, prise en main, présentation des différentes architectures de référence. Ça a été complété par des interventions du commerce, du partenaire enabler, du responsable partenariat, et aussi d'un directeur de projet qui intervient sur les gros projets d'API chez les clients Axway, qui nous a permis effectivement d'avoir un retour d'expérience sur des cas réels français, de clients français sur la mise en place de la technologie.
This 3 days has been a real valuable experience in understanding the various products that Axway have been developing and presenting it to the customers and how they plan their roadmap over the time. I got a first-hand experience on API management and the various integration patterns that can be leveraged using the Amplify platform.
Rejoignez-nous au Digital Bootcamp.